We've had Kahuna for a year now in 4 of our stations, and it's actually been fantastic for us. This is the centerpiece for our control room.
I think the Kahuna is a great product. It's very powerful. We're able to take both standard def and high def sources and use them on our on-air product seamlessly.
Because of the relationship that we've had with Snell, they have asked us to test this automation system. Using an automation system would give us a consistent product.
Working with a manual operation for years, watching the automation system do its job, it all makes sense. It all clicks. The technology, the verbiage that they use, it's all logical.
It's detail-oriented at the head end, at the iNews, the producer, and the person that's putting this information in.
It basically enables you to have a vision of the show and plug it into each script and know that the automation is just going to follow all of those commands verbatim. It's not going to allow for any kind of interpretation by a half dozen other people as the commands are given out. It's going to be, your vision from what you conceive to what's on air.
You could actually plan ahead for shows and basically be building and creating and then having effects set aside.
Once you have the idea of what you want each shot to look like, whether you're going to mix music in and out softly or fade or dissolve, a lot of times those decisions can be overstepped by other people, on the crew. And this way, it's your vision, you put it in the system, and that's what you see on air, guaranteed.
You could build these effects, and then basically just by putting a command in an iNews rundown, you've created something fairly complicated that looks good to the viewer, but was very easy for the Mosart operator to implement. It will push the Kahuna to do things that might be a little tough skill level-wise for a technical director. So this allows you on the opposite end to build these effects and then simply play them out using Mosart automation.
It would be very easy to produce complex shows and have every element be precise and exactly what you envisioned. The potential, I think, is limitless. Anything you could conceive, you can build into the automation system, and it follows you.
When Snell approached us to beta test a automation system, it was something that we'd been considering anyway. I mean, over the years, we had looked at various automation systems and didn't quite find what we were looking for. And so in the interim, we went ahead and we purchased the Kahunas from Snell. Well, now they have asked us to test this automation system. It's a good, solid system. It's easy-to-use interface. We're impressed, and we're going to continue to look at it. It's got some very strong possibilities, and we're very interested in helping this develop.